Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just got into Chicago, and I'm gonna be here for about a week. Just picked up my tools, and I already checked into the hotel room already, but I'm going to give you guys a formal tour.
16th floor.
And here we are. So quick tour. So got my 2 bottles of water for being a diamond level member. Don't mind the mess. Well, really. Kitchen, microwave. Got some. Oh, got a toaster in here. That's pretty cool. And all of the dishes are in here. I don't know why it's not out, but table, got some pretty cool slides here. Couch, the TV, the bed, king size bed, pretty nice. Simple little bathroom, pretty cool area. Place to get extra linens or also your luggage rack. Walk-in shower. Check out this amazing view of the city. So I'm on the 16th floor, which is relatively pretty tall, but so where I am is on the west side of Chicago, because the location of where I'm going to be doing my work is around that area. It's about 6-7 minutes to get there. It's early in the afternoon, but I'm going to try my best to work on a couple of things, like get some administrative stuff done, but definitely going to go on a run. That's something that I've been wanting to do now a lot more of. Maybe walk around and grab a bite to eat. Weather here, it is a little hot, and the humidity level is about 65-70%. It's a little high for Chicago, but it is summertime. Anyway, I'm going to be here for about a week, so you guys stay tuned for the vlog when you guys check it out on what's going to happen. Hopefully, despite the restrictions and COVID-19 and everything, I will try my best to be able to come out and do a little bit more in the Chicago area. The last time I was here, I was in the outskirts, but now I'm in legit Chicago, so I'm super excited. Anyway, going to turn it in for now, and then hopefully we'll be able to do a little bit more vlogging in the later time. Other than that, see you guys in a bit. So now it's dinner time, so I'm going to go head to the vicinity of the restaurant to pick it up. Not going to tell you guys what the restaurant is, but I'm going to give you a lot of hints. So here we go.
4th floor. Going down.
So while we are waiting for my restaurant pickup, I'm gonna go check out a place that I actually really wanted to check out a while back. I went to it at what they call the Time Out Lounge. Pretty cool place. It was basically a multi-level food hall, and super excited. Been there before. The food was great. The menu was very limited, but obviously, during the pandemic right now, going to go check out Urban Belly. That's actually where we're going first, and then we're gonna go check out the Michelin star restaurant that I got some food to go. Okay, so I'm down in the Chicago area. The weather's actually, it is really hot, but it's not, it's bearable. So just walking down in the area, and we're gonna go check out Urban Belly. My understanding is that they're not taking any dine-in reservations, but they do walk-ins. In fact, I forgot, I gotta go pay for the meter before I get busted. So gonna pay the meter, and then we will head to Urban Belly. Vietnamese coffee. Let's go. Ooh, that's good. So I'm only here for a few minutes to grab some food, and plus I only put like maybe half an hour in the meter. But yeah, we're just waiting for the food, and then gonna take it. Thank you. So here we go. These are the dumplings. Oh man, they smell so good. So the dumplings come in singles, but I decided to get 2 of each. I have a chicken dumpling, edamame, and then a pork dumpling. So gonna go get through these wherever here, and then gonna give these guys a try. So really cool long utensils. So let's go try one of them. This is the edamame one. Really good. Love the crunch. Right, let's go try another one. Gotta do the pork. This is actually a chicken one. Nice flavor on the sauce. Alright, let's do the last one. This one's has a dark soy flavor. Really, really good. They put a lot of work into these dumplings, and for $1.50, and I just got half a dozen. This is a good snack to start with. So I'm gonna shut off the camera, and then we're gonna get ready for the main event. So see you guys in a bit. Now, I cannot believe that they put so much wonderful flavor in those dumplings, and I'm definitely coming back for definitely a bowl later on. But we got about 40 minutes before heading out to a restaurant that is going to be a top secret. I'm going to just show you guys what I'm having for tonight. But man, Urban Belly, whew, so good. So since I do have a little bit of time on the meter right now, I'm just going to go check out the other places and see what they also have. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So just got back. Gonna go reveal the secret place that I went to to grab a Michelin experience. So, quick disclaimer, I paid for this entire meal. Normally, my work would provide a sort of allowance or per diem, but I wanted to pay for this experience because this is something that I don't get the opportunity to go for. But let's go check it out. So the restaurant is Alinea. So they actually have a steakhouse, and so their restaurant is a 3 Michelin star restaurant. They have a couple of other sister restaurants, such as Next and a cocktail bar called the Aviary. But during the pandemic, they are currently a steakhouse. To be very clear, they do have seatings up on their top level, aqua fresca type of seating, so you can still have the Alinea experience. However, it's a lot of money, about 300, and they don't do table for one. But let's open up what we got, and they actually have instructions based on the QR code, but I think I can kind of figure it out. Let's unbox everything and see what we have for dinner. So, a dinner roll, potato gratin, a lobster bisque, strawberry shortcake, the summer tomato and cucumber salad, the filet mignon, and the au poivre sauce. So, very excited. I'm going to work on these things real quick. Gonna chef it up for a little bit. So, might do a time lapse so that you guys can see what's going on. But other than that, I'm gonna have everything all beautifully plated and then go take a picture. So, see if Alinea approves. Well, that was a fabulous experience. Uh, Gotta give it to you guys and girls out there at Alinea. I know you guys are not a steakhouse, but that was perfectly executed. Everything was pretty much laid out extremely easy. I did download the QR code just to see what steps I need to do, but as a chef, I kind of figured it out, so I was able to plate everything out very beautifully. Hopefully, you guys can see this on the YouTube page and also on other social media such as Facebook and Instagram. But I just want to say that the flavors were so delicate, perfectly executed, tasted extremely well. I didn't even have to add any salt or pepper or sugar or anything else to it because everything was laid out exactly how it's supposed to be. I think the dish that I loved the most, ironically, was the lobster bisque and the sauce au poivre on the steak. Um, Everything else was great though, but that that lobster bisque and that sauce au poivre that goes in that perfectly cooked steak, it was truly amazing. And the the strawberry shortcake was not only you can taste the strawberry, but the shortcake biscuit was good amount of crunch, but it absorbed a little bit of that juice. And the lemon whipped cream, man, it was so perfectly executed. Not too sweet, has a good bit of lemon, a little bit of citrusy taste on there at the end, and I don't even know what to really say. And this is just a steakhouse experience. Imagine if I was able to come in and eat at a Linea, when they ever allow a table for one with their current setting. Anyway, want to sign off, everybody. This is just day one of my trip here in Chicago. Hopefully, I will be able to vlog a little bit more. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications of future content on this channel. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.